According to a new UN report, nearly half of the world's population doesn't have access to a toilet. In India, half the country goes to the toilet out in the open, a practice that spreads disease and is particularly hard for women and the elderly. Jasvinder Sehgal reports on a new project in the village of Soda, 40 miles from Jaipur, where a toilet revolution is taking place.
Gopal Kumar takes great pride in his family's new toilet. It's particularly important for his 85-year-old mother, Rampuli Devi. Before, like everyone in this village of 900 families, she had to go to the toilet outside.
जो हमारे सरपंच साहब है उनको धन्यवाद दूंगा। उन्हीं के साथ मैं प्रज्ञा चैतन्य फाउंडेशन जो हमारे ट्रस्ट चल रहा है इसको बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद दूंगा, क्योंकि इन्हीं दोनों के प्रयासों से ये सारा स्वच्छता का कार्यक्रम चला है। तो क्या है, महिलाओं के लिए, बड़े बुजुर्गों के लिए ये एक महत्वपूर्ण चीज हुई है, जिससे कि इनको बाहर जाने में दिक्कत रहती थी, लेटरिन जाने में परेशानी आती थी। मतलब पुरुष लोग तो कहीं भी बैठ सकते थे, बाकी महिलाओं को बैठने में काफी परेशानियां थी, तो ये परेशानियां दूर होगी। गांव को इतना लाभ हो रहा है सर, जो पहले कितने बीमार हो जाते थे, कितने बड़े बुजुर्गों को परेशानियां आती थी, वो परेशानियां कम हो गई।
Chavi Rajawat is the women response for this toilet revolution. When she was elected head of the village in 2010, she set about building a toilet in every house with the help from a local NGO, Pragya Chaitanya. She says women have felt the biggest impact.
What usually happens is that a woman only goes out to ease herself under the shelter of darkness, which is usually prior to sunrise and post sunset. And in the process, in areas where you do not have electricity, they often fall prey to a lot of accidents, where they fall in ditches, etc. And I can actually show you photographs of women who have fractured their arms and legs, and these are stories you don't hear of. In addition to which, there is the fear of snakes and monitor lizards, which are out there in the open fields. And on top of that, because they have to wait such long hours to step out in the open, they face a lot of health issues, a lot of gynec problems, which the doctors are not there to attend to. They're always in constant complaining of headaches, of stomach aches, of gastric problems, and so on and so forth. What is even worse is that when they're out to ease themselves, and while they're in the midst of it, if somebody passes by, irrespective of what stage they may be at, they have to stand up instantly.
Before, people had toilets, the roads leading to the village used to be filthy.
That these people do not want toilets, they definitely do. But the sad part is that for them the priority is food in the stomach of the family members, and because they don't have, and because they suffer the pains of poverty, I think even though they want these toilets, more often than not they're not able to contribute towards it.
Chand Sharma's family paid half the cost of their toilet. The rest came from the village council.
पहली तो परेशानी आती है, जंगल में जाते हैं तो लोग बोलते हैं कि यहाँ निमंत्रण के मतलब परेशानी आती है जंगल में जाने से। और यहाँ आया ना तो कोई कुछ भी कोई काम करते हैं तो तुरंत आ जाते हैं, सब काम कर लेते हैं। मतलब 10,000 रुपया लाग चुका और 2 महीना क्या बनाया, तो पैसा भी करे तो बाण तोड़ जाओ, बड़ा सही नहीं बात ना, तो आप अभी जाना चाहिए बात ना भाई, बाण सु परेशानी आ गई।
Her father, Ramkishore Sharma, takes great pride in the fact that he had the village's first toilet. Pragya Chaitanya is the NGO involved in the project. They are building dry toilets that don't require water.
इस अभियान से ये हुआ है, पिछले 6-8 महीने से हम लोग इस अभियान को यहाँ पे चला रहे हैं। पहले शौचालयों की संख्या ना के बराबर थी और अभी लगभग 200 शौचालय हमारे कंप्लीट होने को हैं, और आगे आने वाले 2-3 महीने के अंदर हम पूरे सोडा के अंदर हर घर में शौचालय निर्माण करवा लेंगे।
Shioji's family is eagerly waiting for their toilet to be built. It will particularly help mother.
मुंडत जलती जमाता मुंडत रही ये को जमाता निमड़े वेपर बहुत परेशानी जी पण काय करा खुडाता बढ़ता पग सूज जाओ जमारा तो जी यो पकड़े आऊं जाऊं.
It is estimated that 1 in every 10 deaths in India is linked to poor sanitation and hygiene. The Indian government has designed a countrywide campaign to make the country open defecation-free by the year 2022. Through the campaign, a few sections of society are getting financial assistance to build toilets. But there is still a long way to go. The toilet revolution taking place in Soda needs to happen across the country. This is Jaswinder Sehgal for Asia Calling TV.